Yo guys, what's going on? Monday at 6 here, back in the 2004 Ford Sport Trac. We are currently in the interior of the truck right now. You can see we have a bunch of interior accessories we're going to install. We have this paracord right here that we're going to be taking the grab handles off here. The ones as soon as you get in the truck and you reach for them, we're going to be wrapping them in the paracord to make it look just like that. We have these Ford Racing seatbelt pads with the simulated carbon fiber on it. We have all these Velcro badges right here, assortment, pretty cool. They all say different stuff. And we also have these tactical visor pads that you can put on the visor. You can see there's one over here on the passenger side already, but we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna install all these interior accessories. All right guys, hope you enjoy. We are with the tactical visor adapter right here. Pretty simple, just has Velcro on the inside. It's going to sandwich in between your stock visor. Pretty simple. Just drape it over the front of the sun visor and you got the 3 Velcro straps here, and you'll just bring the back part up to the Velcro straps. Alright, we went ahead and got it installed here. You can see this is the part of the visor that's going to be on the outside, and this is what's going to be on the inside. We have it flipped around right here for the passenger side, so if you want to keep anything in here like your IDs, you know, money, insurance cards. I even have like a little tactical knife, a pen. I'll be putting more stuff up here. Which brings me to these cool Velcro stickers here. This has Velcro all right here, so we can go ahead and we can place, you know, whatever sticker you're feeling like up there. And here's some of the stickers I wanted to put on that tactical visor. And here is the passenger side with the Ford Racing seatbelt shoulder pads. Also comes with a keychain in there as well. Let's go ahead and put these on. You just unvelcro them, put the seatbelt in it, close it back up, and it goes on your shoulder. There's the Ford Racing seatbelt pad. I'm going to go ahead and grab this 100 foot of paracord here. We're going to go ahead and measure it. We're going to get 20 feet out of this, roughly maybe 21 feet. That's what it takes to wrap this handle right here. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to make this one look like this. Went ahead and cut our 21 feet of paracord. Let's go ahead and get this paracord started on this handle. What you want to do is you want to turn it over and simply tie 2 knots. And that'll be your anchor point, and then you can go ahead and just start wrapping the paracord around the handle. We got our handle wrapped, looking pretty good. Here we are at the end of it, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut it right here. And we also have a lighter and some needle nose pliers. Once this is cut here, we'll be able to melt this paracord with the lighter, and then with the pair of needle nose pliers we'll be able to push the melted plastic into the paracord and it should fuse right there. We have the end cut here. When you start to heat that up with the lighter, it's going to start to turn into almost liquid plastic, and then when it's hot, just go ahead, take your needle nose pliers and then just press down on it, hold it there for a little bit, and it should fuse to the other paracord. Got the paracord melted with the lighter. I got it in place, just gonna let go. You can see it has fused to the other paracord. Let's go ahead and get both of these handles installed. Here's the driver paracord handle right there, looking pretty good. And here's the passenger right here, looking excellent. All right, let's go ahead and do the door handles, the interior door handles, and I believe we're even going to do right here on the shifter. We're going to go ahead and paracord wrap the driver handle right here. I'm going to guesstimate maybe 10 to 15 feet. All right, we got the knot started here. Now we'll just go ahead and wrap our paracord all the way around the handle. Looks like the 15 feet got us there almost exactly where we needed. So we're going to go ahead and we'll just cut it about right here. We'll go ahead and we'll heat the plastic up, and then we'll stick it to the top of the paracord. Let's go ahead and get the passenger door wrapped with the paracord. Passenger side, handle is all done in paracord. Passenger rear is done. All 4 door handles have been paracorded and they're looking good. All we got left is the shifter, so we'll go ahead and we'll wrap it just like the door handles. We'll start from the front, wrap it all the way up, and then we'll heat up the paracord and seal it to the back. Let's go ahead and get the shifter wrapped. Alright guys, looks like we got everything done. We got all of our handles paracorded. We got our shifter done. We got our visor covers on. We got our Ford Racing shoulder pads for the seat belt. We got all of our cool stickers on. Now there will be a link in the description for everything you see here, all the stickers, all the visor covers, the paracord, everything just down below in the description. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video on some interior upgrades. Alright you guys, Monday to 6, out.